Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got another awesome watch face for you all to check out on the Fun Day Sunday watch face review. And yeah, you've seen this guy's product before with the thumbs up, the thumbs down, the fist bump. This one is just as nice, just simply trying to get you all ready for the work week. Now this developer definitely needs to be recognized for the creativity he's putting into his watch faces. So look out for this guy. I will leave a link in the description down below where you can go check out this awesome watch face. But with that being said, let's kick this review off. All right, y'all, let's kick this review off. Let me introduce you to Cool Breeze. This is me all day long. This is an awesome casual dress down watch face, perfect for the work week, and it's geared toward fitness as well for those of you all who need to keep up with your step status. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the exact same look. The only difference is right up under Cool Breeze, it's going to say cool, right? And I love it. My man got super creative. This is something different that's in the Gear Manager store that when you have it on your wrist, it's going to make it pop. Now, I like the black background because it brings everything to the forefront, and I like the look of this emoji. But again, as I said, it is geared toward fitness, so you got your information for your steps, calories burned. You're going to also get info in your battery, floors climbed, and miles walked around. You're also going to get your step info as well. And down at the bottom, you get a nice legible digital time with an AM or PM stamp, depending on what time of day it is. Up at the top, you will get a moon phase as well, and your emoji in the middle, which we're going to talk about a little later. But if you need to go into your information so far as your heart rate is concerned, you can do that with a single tap. If I tap right here, I have an opportunity to set a favorite to make the watch face convenient. I come over here in the middle and I could do the same thing. I can tap on my battery, bring up my battery info. And right here, I could bring up my S Health information. And so I thought this was pretty cool. I thought my man did a really good job on this watch face, but this is not the highlight of the watch face, right? To me, the highlight is that emoji right there, which you can customize. So let's check it out. We're going to cycle through the many different ones to give you an opportunity to see what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. But ladies, is this you? Or maybe it's for the guys, right? Who's feeling like an angel today? Now let's cycle through. We want to cycle through just to give you an idea what you're going to be in for. And it gives you quite a bit, right? That way you could express what you're feeling for the day, which I thought was nice, very different. Kind of makes it interactive to a degree, right? Feeling like money today? Sad? Yes. Yes. Angry? Really angry? So I thought this was a nice deal, but what's also nice about it is that if you want to change the shade, just tap on Creative, and you can change it to whatever shade you would like to change it to, which I thought was pretty cool, right? So I got to give my man 4 thumbs up in the door for this super awesome, unique watch face called Emoji. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can receive more updates on these videos. And with that, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And remember, the Monday grind is right around the corner. I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.